Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Zoom meeting error code 1000006 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Zoom error, Zoom meeting app not working properly on your system, then here are the fixes. Open control panel in your system and here scroll down and go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here from the left side, click on allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And here in control panel, scroll down, allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall and go to your Zoom workplace and make sure that Zoom duly allowed under public network as well as private network. If you want to change this system, change settings and make the check against both the option under private network and public network. Allow Zoom meeting to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. And after that, check whether your Zoom meeting error code resolved or not. Go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters and here run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of any network related issues, so you must run Windows inbuilt tool internet and network troubleshoot. And after that, check whether your Zoom meeting error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command %app data %\Zoom. Click on OK. This will open in Windows Explorer. Select all this data from this folder and choose delete. After deleting, there may be a possibility of Zoom meeting app uninstalled. So go to Microsoft Store and install a fresh version of Zoom meeting app on your system. Thereafter, go to the next fixes, open, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps. From the right side, go to installed apps. And here type Zoom in search field. Click on 3 horizontal dot against Zoom workplace and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of your Zoom meeting app. So simply go to your Chrome browser and type Zoom download for Windows. And open it and click on download link and download Zoom meeting app of fresh version of your download 64-bit or 32-bit as per your system requirement and follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process of Zoom meeting app. The one more workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of apps not working properly.